How to set up the attendance center layout. Welcome to this training session on setting up the attendance layout in ChildFriendly. First, make sure you're in the attendance module. You must first set up spaces in the setup module before adding them to the attendance module. Initially, your main screen here will appear blank until you start adding spaces. In our video, you'll notice several spaces have already been included. Start by ensuring you are in Canvas View mode. This mode displays the layout of the center where you can add spaces. Click the Edit Layout icon to get started. From the drop-down menu, select Add Space. You'll see a list of spaces that haven't been added yet. Choose the spaces you want to include. You can adjust the size and position of spaces as needed. While editing, feel free to rearrange them to reflect your center's layout. Having a copy of the physical layout nearby can be helpful to ensure accuracy while adding spaces here. If you prefer to simply show the spaces in rows instead of matching the center's layout, use the Auto Arrange feature. After positioning everything as desired, click the drop-down arrow again and select Complete Editing. To make future changes, just click Edit Layout. Please note that this layout editing feature is available only to those with admin access. And that's all there is to it. Thank you for watching.